Hey guys, Champagne Crypto here. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 alternatives to Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's been a big week for alternative cryptocurrencies. You can see right now I'm on the Poloniex website, which is the US-based cryptocurrency exchange. And you'll see that Stellar, STR, is the highest volume traded coin presently. It's presently the highest volume traded coin. It's gone up 46% in the last 24 hours. Ripple as well, Ether. What really struck me is that Stellar is trading more than Ethereum. So what we're going to talk about today is some alternatives to Bitcoin and Ethereum. It seems like there's been a lot of interest in cryptocurrencies, and being that Bitcoin and Ethereum have boomed so much in the past month to two, new people are coming into the market looking to invest, and they've asked for alternatives to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And today we're going to talk about that. So the first one that we're going to go ahead and jump into is obviously Stellar. Stellar right now is the number one traded coin on the Poloniex exchange today as far as volume. And I wanted to talk about it because it's similar to Ripple. And if you guys know anything about Ripple, Ripple's a coin that was recently something like 5 or 6 cents, and it's all the way up now to 20 cents, simply because a lot of the big banking systems have adopted it, and it's more of a centralized coin now. A lot of people have jumped behind it. So if you got into Ripple in the past couple of months, if you've almost like gotten 5 times your money. Stellar is something that forked off from Ripple, and if you go to their website, you could read more about it, which is right here. Stellar is a platform that connects banks, payment systems, and people, integrate to move money quickly, reliably, and at almost no cost. You could read about it on their website, but the reason that I'm recommending it is because it's similar to Ripple, and it's being traded in high volume right now. And if you can see, it's only 4 cents. So it's something that is still affordable for new people to come in, and for speculators to come in. So it's not something I would recommend to hold for the long term, but it's something I do see in the next month to two really doubling or even tripling in value. Something at 4 cents, I could see this easily getting at 15 cents or even 20 cents like Ripple is now. Ripple is another one that may go up, but we'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, definitely Stellar Lumens, which is XLM, and you can see them on the Poloniex website, is something that I would look into. Right now it's trading about 4 cents per lumen. Number 2, I would like to talk about Litecoin. Litecoin is another one that's recently gone up in value. Right now it's $29.30 as I'm doing this video, and you can look at the charts. It's really just boomed in the last month. It was something at last month it was $8, and now it's already at 30 bucks. The reason being is that Coinbase, which is a US based site, so you could buy Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. They recently added Litecoin and the ability to buy Litecoin on the Coinbase site, and you could buy Litecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin with cash, your debit card, or whatnot. It's a site that I've also used myself, and if you recommend friends, I think that they give you like 10 bucks or something like that. So Coinbase recently added Litecoin. Coinbase only would offer Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are two cryptocurrencies that are obviously the two biggest ones, and the reason you're probably watching this video. But Litecoin recently went up in value. You see there 29. It was, it was holding steady throughout the past year. $3, and went up to 4, 5, and now it's just all of a sudden at 30. Litecoin is something that I think still has some room to grow. I see it in direct competition with Monero, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it's something I would look into. So Litecoin is definitely, and if you want to read more about Litecoin, you can go to their website, obviously, and read more about the white paper. But these recommendations that I'm making now are just speculative recommendations for the next few months. coins that I think are just going to go up in value even more. But for the long term, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum is something that we all should hold, in my opinion. But this video is for the alternatives to them. So Litecoin is one that's right now it says at 29, so it's about 30 bucks. So I would definitely look into this to hold for the next couple of months at least. Finally, the last coin that I'm looking into is something that I don't know much about, but it's sticking out to me. It's NEM, and it's traded under XEM, and it's 12 cents. And you can go to their website and read more about it. Right here, what makes NEM unique among blockchains? It's designed with all new code to be secure, scalable, fast, flexible, and whatnot. But what really struck me to this is that it's not comparing this cryptocurrency to others. The blockchain is not necessarily mined in the same way. Somehow it's tied to a hard drive and it makes things more efficient. I was reading about it, and supposedly this is one of the more efficient coins as far as speed and storage. And it's another one that the reason I'm recommending it is because it's the market cap is high right now, and the prices are still a little bit low. I still see that there's some room for growth. And again, what the recommendations I'm making for this video in particular are for alternatives to Bitcoin and Ethereum for right now, so just for the next couple of months. So let's recap on the three coins that I'm speaking of. Number one is Stellar. Stellar, it's at 4 bucks right now. I see it going to about 15 cents within the next 3 months. That's kind of my call, roughly my call. It can go more or less, but don't be surprised if it hits 12, 13 cents soon. Then we go to Litecoin. Litecoin is something that's just jumped up because of its availability on Coinbase. It's $29 now. It's something that could easily reach $40 or $50 in the next couple of months. And then finally, NEM, which is traded under XEM, which is 12 cents now. This is one that could easily hit 20 cents or 25 cents in the next couple of months. Again, these recommendations are for short-term speculative investments. In the long term, these coins could maintain their value, or they could very well crash. It's too early to forecast that far into the future. But right now what we're seeing is a recent surge in speculation into the crypto market. And since Ethereum and Bitcoin have increased in value so much in the past couple of months, other people are coming in and looking for alternatives, and I think that these are some affordable alternatives that may they just may ride the coattails, let's say, of Bitcoin and Ethereum in these couple of months. And if we can get in and out, perhaps someone can make some profit. So let me know, drop a comment, let me know what you think. And again, these are just my opinions. By all means, I'm not a professional cryptocurrency trader at the least, but I do it sometimes, and I've seemed to be right sometimes. So I know we have a couple people critiquing in the comments and saying, "Oh, what do you know about economics?" I mean, I know something about economics, but what we know about cryptocurrency altogether is very little because it's something new. So we're all just jumping into new water. So let's see where all this goes. Drop a comment and let me know, because I'm learning as well. But thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe. Champagne Crypto.